photosynthesis, and today we're learning about transpiration. But to start, who can tell me something about photosynthesis?
It involves the sun.
Yeah.
How old are we?
10th grade.
Oh,
10th grade.
it involves the sun.
No, right.
It involves.
Oh,
ouch, I got called on and then rejected.
The sun's light to create food and energy for themselves.
Okay. And what sort of, like, what is coming, other than light, what else is coming into the plants to help with photosynthesis?
From
the soil.
From the sun.
Yeah, through the leaves. mostly.
Oxygen. Oxygen.
Oxygen.
Water.
Well, no,
Nitrogen.
or carbon dioxide, sorry.
Oh yeah.
Because
Oxygen
plants
and
give
nitrogen.
off oxygen, right? So, photosynthesis is a process where this plant is bringing in, or it's using carbon dioxide that's coming in to help make its food. But there's also another process, transpiration, where it's what leaves the plant. And can anyone tell me what is the products that are leaving the plant during
Oxygen.
and
Is that a question?
think about, here's another way, because it's transpiration, and like when people get really hot and they're sweating, it's perspiration. And you are,
Dew.
well, yeah.
That's kind of cute. Something to think about.
But when you sweat, it's water leaving your body. So plants also give off water through their leaves.
Then that's not the same thing as dew, right?
No, well,
They might do as a collection.
dew is like the collection.
Yes. Still got leaves.
So
Water.
we also learned that, well, the 10th graders do know this part too, but the specific cell that's part of transpiration is the stoma. And it opens and closes, allowing either carbon dioxide to come in or oxygen and water to leave.
It's like pores.
Yeah, it's a pore. So today we're going to do a little lab on the computer to look at what affects, like, what influences transpiration. So I'm going to everyone gets one of these, pass them around. And you're probably going to have to be in groups of 2 or 3 at the computer.
There's no question.
And the website that you need to go to is right here on the board. And to start, like once you get there, you'll see there will be 4 plants that you can choose from, and you pull them into this little thing, and then click on a clock, and it's simulating an hour of normal, like, sunlight. And then I want you to go through those 4 plants under normal conditions, not bringing in other influences, and then when you're done, raise your hand, and we'll go on to the next part after that. So, go to the computers.
Sure. Yeah, I know. 6. The fan was like 7. Whatever.
Fan more. Then heat. Headline?
Is that okay?
Maybe because it's going in conversation opposite.
Okay, so we're gonna, okay, we just did them all under normal conditions, and now, so that we can just look at them all together, we're gonna add light.
Let's try one of the other ones.
To
see
all
if
of
the same transactions. Oh, you want? Oh, whoa. Whoa, the light wasn't. Oh, the light was low.
Anxiety heat is 3.2. Everyone ready to move on?
Yes. Water transpired by the plant.
Light.
Light.
And so did this
Fan with it.
So the plant, like, because it's going to give off water.
So at nighttime when it's not decomposed, it's why I think that gives off more water.
I don't know. It doesn't when it's, like, think of a really, really hot day when you're out with like a lot of trees and the air's kind of sticky, it has that real humid feeling, it's because the trees are losing so much more water during that time. Think about, for two of them, let's say your hand was wet and you're sitting in a car and it's still. Like which side of your hand is the water gonna evaporate off of first? The top. So let's say the car was moving. How is it gonna bring the water off your hand that way?
Both sides.
Yeah. So the fan's doing the same thing.
It perspires more.
Yeah. Why would it be important to know which plants transpire more and which ones do it less? Like,
So you know which kind of plants you should have, like, for yourself, like your house or something like that.
And like how often you need to water them, because they lose enough water fast and you need to water them once they don't die.
yeah, so which one would transpire a lot? What do you got?
The rubber.
Rubbish.
Rubber tree was the king in all categories.
What about do against the geranium, or did you have a geranium?
We didn't have the geranium.
See, I
So
had a
you
geranium, and the geranium was transparent.
More than the rubber plant, or did you not have a rubber plant?
What were your numbers?
They should battle.
You guys could
What was your
Regular, normal conditions,
Geranium.
rubber plant, water.
Geranium normal was a 1.2.
We had 4.5.
4.9.
4.9.
But then I was looking at the changes, I guess, so, then the geranium changed 4.6 when I added the heat.
Yeah, the rubber plant went to
6.8.
Wait,
Whoa.
did it change that much, or it
No,
went up?
it went up. So it changed.
See,
oh, you were talking about the one with the most change.
yeah, I was talking about the one with most change, so we're talking about different things.
well, the coleus went from 0.9 to 6.9.
What was
We didn't have that.
Coleus?
fan with the?
Oh man, there were different plants all over the place.
I didn't actually get to look
We
at it.
didn't have that. We had
But then it didn't do that much with the other, well, it did a lot.
It changed to 1.2 with the light, I didn't get to look at it.
So knowing the climate here, which plant would you want to plant?
For what purpose?
If you were, to suit the climate with the normal amount of rainfall.
Just have a plant like in
Just in general, not the plant that lost the least amount of water.
Which one do you think would suit this climate and the amount of water we receive the best?
English and
One of the ivies.
yeah. Yeah, probably the English ivy.
Without irrigation, we're still a desert
Yeah.
climate.
It's like it rains.
Don't ivies need shade though?
What?
Don't ivies need shade?
I think ivies just grow.
we already
Yeah.
know.
So,
it's a really good
about
role
the
to do
different
what we
ivy
do.
plants in general. Like, we already know that.
Yeah.
Because, I mean, it's like double, the plants like lose double in like the
Are
ivy,
any
so
of these plants?
we probably
native to
already
the
know about
area?
that.
So, like,
Yeah.
are we saying that the fan produces
Probably
the
not.
amount of